Welcome back to my neighbourhood, McNair Road in District 12. Hi, I'm Sheryl from Orange Tea AAG. As a long-time resident here, I'm ecstatic to share a gem in this charming locale where history meets modernity. McNair Road is more than just a location. It's a community known for its tranquility, stunning views and unbeatable connectivity. McNair Towers is a premium BTO project celebrated for its edgy facade and impressive floor-to-ceiling windows. We're exploring a breathtaking high-floor 4-room corner unit at 113B McNair Towers. This unit exemplifies sophisticated urban living with its bright, open concept design, modern, classic, contemporary style in white and gold accents. Join me to experience firsthand why this home is truly one of a kind. Arriving here, you'll notice the new customized white gate. It brings a fresh, modern touch and features a Yale digital lock for enhanced security and convenience. Inside, a snug foyer on the left features a shoe storage bench and an arched standing mirror. To the right, you'll find an impressive open-concept kitchen, a hallmark of classic contemporary design. A stunning 1.6-meter island counter is topped with pristine white quartz, elegantly lit by glass dome lights. This versatile island serves as a buffet, drinks counter, or additional dining area. The kitchen is equipped with high-quality Electrolux appliances, including a hob, oven, and hood, all set against a sleek grey quartz countertop. The backsplash is a standout, made from Agaea's Marina marble tiles from Greece. Additional highlights include a durable Franke Swiss brand sink and ample cabinetry. This kitchen is both functional and visually striking in a harmonious white and grey theme. The expanded yard accommodates a fridge, laundry and additional shelving with an unblocked breezy view. The adjacent dining table that seats 4 to 6 is ideal for entertaining, with an open layout that flows seamlessly, highlighted by a striking gold mirror. The living room radiates welcoming charm, with floor-to-ceiling customized curtains framing the full-height windows that offer spectacular city views. The morning sunlight fills the space in a warm glow. A plush, oversized sofa is complemented by a captivating painting on the vanilla-coloured wall. There's also space for a piano, adding a refined touch. A stylish console table showcases decor, books, and mementos, topped by a stunning Greek wall art. The neutral-coloured tiles and kitchen palette provide a timeless foundation, allowing for easy style updates over the years without major renovations. The master bedroom and adjacent common bedroom have been seamlessly combined into a luxurious, expansive space. The walls separating them can be easily restored if needed. The master bedroom features a plush king-size bed, mirrored side table, dresser, and ample space for a wardrobe. Customized floor-to-ceiling gold drapery curtains frame the windows. A corner window here, a rare feature in most flats, offers panoramic views that elevate the room's refined ambience. The master bathroom offers a hotel-like setting with elegant lighting, pristine American Standard and Grower sanitary ware, a Grower rain shower head, and built-in bench for relaxation. A generously sized sink set on a sleek quartz countertop enhances the luxurious experience. The connecting room, currently a study and walk-in wardrobe, can be effortlessly converted into a bedroom. With no built-ins throughout the rooms, you have the freedom to customize each space to your preference. The third bedroom is a charming playroom with a loft bed, maintaining the home's light-filled and cheerful atmosphere. The common bathroom includes a glass shower screen, built-in cabinets, an oversized mirror cabinet, and a polished quartz countertop, featuring American Standard and Grower fixtures. The location is a dream. Just a 2-minute walk to Boon Keng MRT on North-East Line, you have 3 stops to Dhoby Ghaut for connections to North-South Line and Circle Line. PIE and CTE are easily accessible, with MBS, CBD and Orchard Road just 15 minutes by car. A 24-hour Sheng Siong is just a minute away, and Bendemeer Mall and Market offers affordable food options. For shopping, City Square Mall is 1 stop away, and Wangpo Park Connector is right at your doorstep. Schools within 1 km include Hong Wen and Bendemeer Primary. As someone who knows and loves the neighbourhood, I can say this home is truly special. It blends refined comfort and contemporary style set in a prime exclusive location that marries historical charm with exceptional connectivity. With breathtaking views and thoughtfully designed spaces, every corner tells a story. It's a home where each moment becomes a cherished memory. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to feature your home next. I'm Sheryl, Real Estate with Heart and Soul.